How to make a meme or viral art using OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to image. Then go to create image. Now, first of all, you need to start with a strong meme idea. So make sure to think of something that is relatable, funny, emotional. I already have one in mind. I'm gonna write when you open the fridge and forget why. Then I'm gonna check the settings, make sure it's 4K, which is the best resolution. Aspect ratio, I'm gonna make it square, 1 by 1. And then I'm gonna test 2 images, which gonna cost 30 credits, and click create. Now I forgot, if you want to change the model, you can just switch it here. I like this model, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so it's finished generating the 2 images. I'm gonna pick one of them. Let's say I'm gonna pick that, and I'm gonna click download. It's gonna download the image. Okay. The next step, let's go to edit image. Let's upload the image over here at the square. You can click on that and then click upload, or you could just add the image over here at the top. I'm gonna click on that and then upload the image. Then click on the image and then go to text to add the text. I'm gonna add text over here. And I'm just gonna add the whole text. Click on add text to add the text. I'm gonna add over here. I'm just gonna add the whole text. Okay. Move it to the middle, make it bigger. I'm gonna use the different font. Put it in the middle. If you want to separate it, you can just click enter. I'm gonna separate it over here, click enter, and it's gonna go down. Make it bigger maybe. Change the color if you want. Bold it. Maybe it's a bad idea, not sure. Yeah, this is better. Make it bigger maybe. Then when you think the image is ready, let's put it in the middle. And that's it. And then click blend, which is gonna blend the image and the text together, so you can download the image. It's gonna cost 10 credits. Just click blend over here. Okay, it's finished generating the image. Let's see. Yep, so we can just click away, click download this image. Yeah, so this is how you make a meme or viral art using OpenArt AI. Thank you for watching.